basic income. Basic income is the income which is paid to the farmers. Which is paid to farmers upon their production. So the income which is paid to the farmer upon their production is called as a basic income. This basic income is promised by the government. This is called as MSP, which is nothing but minimum support prices. We'll study different types of MSPs and you will get confused over a period of time which MSP, that means which MSP we are talking about, which crop we are talking about, that you should be very much in perfection. Here we are talking about MSP, means it is a minimum selling price, minimum support price, sorry, minimum support price. Minimum support price is the price where the government promise pre-harvest. Before going to harvest, the government will promise that I will pay you some minimum price. That includes your basic investments, the procurement of your raw materials, alright, plus the family labors involved, the extra labors are involved, your investments, plus your profits, plus the domestic prices and international prices are calculated. You'll promise to give, if you go for this crop, I'm supporting you with MSP. Second important thing you should know, MSP is not backed by any of the law, LAW. It is not protected by any of the law. Government can increase the number of crops, government can decrease. Completely it's based on the cabinet decision. MSP, understand this is very confusing. Many websites have given very confusing matter about the crops. Few says 23, few says 22, few says 25. What are this 23, 22, 25? We'll read now. MSP is declared pre-harvest. Pre-harvest means what? Before going to the harvest, farmer can easily look at the prices and he can go for the agriculture activity. This is called as pre-harvest. What prices you declare post-harvest, that we will discuss later, but as of now MSP, that is the minimum support prices pre-harvest. How do you calculate MSP? I have told you, basic input cost plus the profits given to the farmers plus the domestic prices plus the international prices along with the family labors who are involved, profits given to farmers, everything will be considered and that will be declared under MSP. So MSP is declared twice in a year, 2 times. MSP is declared 2 times, twice in a year. One is for Kharif, second one is for Rabi. We declare MSP for 2 times. One is for Kharif, second one is for Rabi. And MSP is given for, MSP coverage is for 25 crops. So 25 crops are part of MSP. If you count the crops, they are 25. How do we classify these crops? Kharif crops, which are 14 in number. Rabi crops, which are 7 in number. Next is calendar year crops, which are 4 in number. Put together, it is 25. 25 crops are there. Crops, literally 1 to 25. 25 crops are there. And for Kharif it is 14, Rabi it is 7, calendar year crops 4. Rabi and Kharif has some particular seasons. Season where it is completely, those crops are dependent on the rainfall. Season where the crops are mostly depending on the irrigational facilities which you provide, Rabi. Third one are the calendar year crops. They can start at any point of time, but their gestation period will take a lot of time. That means it can cover more than one season, and hence we are calling it calendar year crops. They will not end in one season. Calendar year crops, we call them 4 in number. Dehusked coconut, jute, copra and sugarcane. So these 4 are called as a calendar year crops. In Kharif, we have Kharif related crop. Okay. And in Rabi, we have Rabi related crops. Put together, those are 25 in number. This we declare 2 times. One is for Kharif season, other one is for Rabi season. Calendar year crops merged in this 2 times. Next, who declares MSP? Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices, which is called as CACP, declares MSP for 25 crops. Okay, and CACP just now have written how they consider is the input cost, family labors, profits, domestic prices, comma, international prices, profits given to the farmers, etc. These are being considered by Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices. It's a committee which will sit and they will decide. Based on that, they will fix the MSP. Declared 2 times, 25 crops. This will be sent to CCEA, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, which is headed by Prime Minister. This was asked by UPSC. Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs headed by Prime Minister. They will finalize the prices of MSP. They will finalize the prices of MSP set by CACP. Now, 25 crops. Understand this. 25 crops. Why most of the students get confused in this? Few says 23 are there, few says 24 are there, few says 25 are there, few says there only 22 are there. What is this 22, 23? Let us take crops are 25. Seasons, for that we declare MSP is 2 times. Coverage of them are 3 types. Kharif, Rabi and calendar. Crops are 25. In this, prices are declared for 23, which means 2 are interlinked. Crops are 25, but the prices are issued only for 23, which means the other 2 crops which you have shown here is the crops which are interlinked. The crops here are interlinked. Interlinked means what? These crops are covered under MSP, but these crops prices are not declared, which means in 23 they are crops whose prices are declared. Those will be linked to these crops. What are those? Dehusked coconut, okay, and next, most important, if you can see here, one crop which is of calendar year, okay, and here mustard and toria are interlinked. So here dehusked coconut is interlinked with copra, which means copra is given here. Copra is given here, and the copra prices, if they declared, means they are declaring the prices of dehusked coconut also.